Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to Look Gorgeous. In this video, I'm gonna unbox, review and I'm gonna give you the demo of products as well from my Envy box December 2017 edition, and this is their Christmas edition maybe. So let's just start with the video. I have got 4 products in here which are just amazing. Firstly, I have this beautiful red kind of box, magnetic and useful as always. Price is approximately $8.50 or something like that. I'll leave the link in the description box down there if you want to buy this, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So first up, I have this card, a December beauty box, and I don't know if it's a Christmas edition or not, but the products which I have got are just perfect for Christmas. There are makeup products, and not just one, not just 2, there are 3 makeup products and a high quality cream as well. So I'll just show you one by one. First product that I have got is a Bella Voste lip liner, which is for rupees 549, and you can choose from I think 4 shades. Maybe you can select from that, otherwise maybe you can just get that randomly. Just check their website for further information. I'm gonna share what I have got. So this is Bella Voste lip liner, which is what I'm wearing on my lips, and it's a pretty red color like you can see, and it is pigmented, it is smooth, it glides on smoothly. It is made in Germany and it is 1.2 gram. The shade that I have got is Inflamed. So this is how it looks like. It's quite nice and it's not retractable, so you have to sharp it up like most of the lip liners. It also comes in a beautiful box like this. So the next product that I have got is to complement this lip liner is a Bella Voste liquid lipstick, which I'm gonna try right in front of you guys, and I'm gonna give you my honest first impression kind of thing as well. So this is 3.2 ml for rupees 599. And you can get 4 from 4 colors. There is a red, there is a pink, there is a nude, there is a brown as well. So that's that. It's a high shine lip gloss, delivers maximum color and brilliance with its unique triple shine complex, a blend of high performance ingredients that provide unstoppable wear and extra shine. So it's a lot of claims. I'll just try it. It's a beautiful color, undoubtedly. It's perfect for Christmas, definitely. They're saying it's a lip gloss and not a liquid lipstick. Let me try. You have already got a matte lip product, that's a lip liner, which can be totally worn as a lipstick in itself, like a matte lipstick. So you have already got one matte lip product. So it's a beautiful gloss, making my lips luscious and fuller at the same time, and beautiful as well. I love glosses, but with the red glosses it's always difficult, but this is quite a nice and cute color gloss. I really loved it, and it's looking so beautiful like you can see on the screen. It's really pretty. Packaging is amazing. I love it. I love to have it in my lipsticks and lip glosses collection because I'm a huge lip gloss lover as well. The third product that I have got is amazing. This is for I think $12.95, so approximately 1300 rupees, and this is actually a high quality product, seems like so. I'll just try it in front of you guys only. So let me just read out the information. Worth Gold Highlighter Powder, full size, 10 grams. Okay, so we have got full size, 100% natural and vegan. Worth, VERT, you might have heard the name already. A sweep of Worth's all natural mineral gold powder will give a gorgeous glow whenever it goes and give your face that final polishing touch. With its fine and velvety soft texture and the skin benefits of turmeric, it will give you more definition without drying your skin out. So this is how it is written over here, and I think it can be mixed in your foundation as well, little bit, to just give your face a beautiful glow because it's kind of that skin color, like with a tint of golden yellow. I just hope you can see. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I'll just give you a quick swatch of it on my hand first. I'm just taking it with my little finger, and let me just be careful. I don't want it to spill around here and there. Okay, so it's a beautiful shade with a beautiful pigment, very natural looking golden shade. It's not that prominent high gold color, but it's a beautiful natural looking golden color. And I have got my brushes on here so that I can apply it on my face as well. So I'm just gonna take this blush and highlighter brush, apply a little bit of this on here, and I'm just gonna dust off the excess. Obviously it's a loose powder, so it's going here and there very easily. You can also use it as your eyeshadow if you use your brush wet. So I've applied it on my cheeks, and you can totally see my cheeks are beautiful, blinding and glowing with very little bit of the product, and it does not have any chunky particles or anything like that. It's beautiful, like it's seriously beautiful. It's very natural looking on face. And if I've taken little too much, so this is how it is gonna look. It is extremely blinding, plus it blends in the skin beautifully as well, so that it does not look fake as well. So very interesting and amazing product. It reminds me of that Kylie loose powder highlighters which are trending these days. So definitely it's not easy for all of us to get that Kylie thing, but we can get this Envy box. It is looking so mind-blowing right now. I'm just gonna take a little bit on my eyeshadow brush as well, and I'm gonna apply it as an eyeshadow all over my eyelids. So without getting my brush wet, it's definitely falling out, but I'm sure when I'll wet my brush with some makeup fixing spray, it is not gonna fall out at all. It's seriously stunning. I think you should definitely get this month's box because it has some high quality products which are just worth it. Like, you're getting approximately 3,000 of products in just rupees 800 something, which is amazing, which is just so amazing. I'm not gonna go off camera. I'm gonna apply it in front of you guys only. By the way, I'm wearing Swiss Beauty Mousse foundation, which is, I think, the best foundation I have ever used in my life. And I've not applied any moisturizer, I've not applied any primer. That Mousse foundation has moisturizer, primer and foundation and everything, with a beautiful velvet texture and a beautiful finish, perfect for Indian skin tones as well. So that's one foundation which I think everyone should get. That's a beautiful foundation, and also I've topped it up with a compact of Swiss Beauty. It is mind-blowing, like seriously mind-blowing. You can get it from my Instagram store at Affordable Makeup India. I'll leave the link in the description down there. So my makeup is completed. Doing my makeup today was so easy. I just applied that Swiss Beauty foundation, then I applied this Swiss Beauty matte pressed powder in the shade Natural Beige, which is prime and fine, and it looks so stunning. And then I have got this local beauty blender. This is also available on my Instagram store, and it is this much bigger when you wet it, and it is amazing quality. So I just blended all of this with this. Then I applied Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, then my favorite Swiss Beauty gel kajal, and after that I applied this Bella Vasta lip liner, and then I applied this Bella Vasta lip gloss, and then I applied this highlighter thing, and this is how I am looking. Like, I'm really happy with the look, and it was just so easy. If you want a tutorial in this look, then let me know in the comments down below. I would film one for you. And about the lip gloss color, it is Mercier Rouge in the shade number 04. So the last product, which is the fourth product that I've got, is this Vauthray 5-in-1 Skin Perfecting Cream. This is 30 grams and I have used this earlier as well. It is an amazing cream, high quality. The fragrance is beautiful. The benefits are amazing. So it's for 585 and full size, 30 grams, and it has unique formula, revitalizes dull skin, gives you a healthy, young and glowing skin. Botanical extracts improves your skin texture, reduces uneven pigmentation, gives even toned complexion, moisturizes skin, diminishes existing fine lines, anti-aging cream. It is ideal for all types of skin. It is 100% effective and safe product. It is dermatologist tested, and this is how the cream looks like. It has that vegan symbol as well, and cream is looking cute. I have used it earlier, so I know it's a good quality product for sure, and it blends in the skin beautifully without making the skin greasy at all. So these are the 4 products that I have got in this month's box. Lip liner, liquid lipstick, that liquid lip gloss, and then this cream, and also that beautiful powder highlighter. So I just hope that you guys like this video, and if you guys like this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. A Merry Christmas to all of you, because this box actually reminds me of Christmas, because it has that glowing highlighter, then luscious lip gloss, and a beautiful lip liner, and your perfect cream for your winters. So I highly recommend it, and I'm gonna use these products as well. I'm very happy with this box. Like seriously, the December 2017 Envy box rocks. So if you liked the video, then subscribe to my channel, and also give this video a big thumbs up. If you want to buy, then I'll leave the link down there in the description box below. You can buy from there. And about this beautiful foundation and the products that I've used on my skin, you can buy from my Instagram store at Affordable Makeup India, which I'll leave the link in the description down there. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, take care, look gorgeous. Mwah.